Hey guys, Chef Wu Can here today. Today we're gonna make a version of Korean chicken wings. I mean, that's been the latest and the hottest craze lately. But this version that I'm gonna make is not gonna require any kind of deep fat frying, because what we're looking for is a simple and easy way to make some delicious wings, Korean style. And if you do the Korean way, it's going to require deep fat frying, oil. The kitchen's going to be a mess. You're going to have to be dipping it in cornstarch or potato starch, and it's just too cumbersome. My way is going to use the air fryer, and basically you're going to get crispiness naturally without any fuss or fuss. Hold on a second. So you'll still get the great flavor, you'll still get the crispiness, but you won't have to deal with the grease, the hot oil, the preparation to fry. Alright, so I want to show you the ingredients that you use. And in this case, we'll use about a half pound of chicken wings, wingets. And we'll use gochujang, is the Korean red chili paste. We use about 1 tablespoon. We use about a teaspoon of rice vinegar. We'll use about 3 tablespoons of thin soy sauce. We'll use a dash of Shaoxing wine. And we'll use some McCormick's garlic powder. Now, if you see, we're using a little bit of, and we're using about a 1/3 cup of white sugar. The sugar with the soy sauce complement each other. You have a salty and a sweet. The chili paste will give you a little bit more sweetness and a little bit more spice. So those three together will just add a tremendous flavor. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make the sauce. We already cooked the chicken wings in the air fryer, and that was basically at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay? After around 7 minutes, pause it, shake it up a little bit so you get a well-rounded cooked chicken wing that's nicely browned. All right? So what we're going to do is going to make the sauce, and we're going to do it by adding some water, right? And then adding the sugar, and we want to get a nice syrupy consistency. Okay? And once we get the consistency, then we'll add the Korean chili paste that's been mixed with soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and rice wine vinegar. Okay? So as we do this, we are checking into our wings, and the wings are done. So it's just a matter of getting the sauce thick enough so we can add the wings, and within maybe 5 to 10 minutes, that's it. Your dish is done. All right? So just we're waiting for the water to mix with the sugar. We're going to try to get a syrupy consistency, and then we'll add the Korean chili paste mixture with soy sauce and Shaoxing wine and garlic powder. Okay? Okay, as you can see, the water and the sugar have melted, and we're getting a nice little syrupy consistency, and that's what we want. We have our blend of sauce, which is the Korean chili paste with soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and ground pepper. Right? So this is you see how syrupy it's getting right now? Okay, so we're going to add the sauce. Okay. We want it to be a little bit more spicier. And just keep on mixing to get a nice thickness. So during the process of the combination of the Korean chili paste and the garlic powder and the soy sauce solution with water, it's going to bubble up a little bit. And then it's going to finally simmer down so you got a nice syrupy disposition. So now what we do is take the chicken, combine it in the sauce, mix it up. And you have Korean chicken wings, air fried, no deep pat frying. Simple, easy, 1, 2, 3. You're not going to get the crunch because it doesn't have a coating, but you know what? When you're looking for a quick meal, the deep fat frying requires a little bit more time, and dipping it in the starches requires a lot more work. And right now, why do it? All right, so here we go. Here you go with my version of Korean chicken wings with the air fryer. Take a little bit with a little rice, and we'll see how this tastes. Here we go. All right. Excellent. You taste the Korean chili paste, sugar, the soy sauce, and the garlic powder. So delicious, so sweet, so scrumptious. So, rather ordering takeout, pay through your nose. You can make it yourself if you have an air fryer. It requires 4 ingredients, the most. Quick and easy, done in less than 25 minutes. Between the chicken and putting this all together, making a sauce. Easy. So if you like this video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscription button. That will let you know when I come up with another recipe. And give me a comment. I'll answer all your comments as best I can. But there's nothing really hard to do in terms of making Korean chicken wings. When the weather gets a little better, I'll show you how to do it deep fried with the dipping it in the potato starch, which has more flavor in it. But right now, if you're looking for a quick, tasty chicken wing, Korean style, this is the way to go. You're gonna love the flavor, okay? I have a website, chefwucan.com. I have a Etsy website, chefwucancollection.etsy.com. check it out on the Etsy page. I have a Madagascar vanilla bean extract, homemade, organic. I have a crispy garlic chili relish with chili oil and relish together, and they've been big sellers. So think about it. Let me know how you feel, and I'm thankful that you're watching this video. And please come back again, tell your friends all about me, and I'm going to have more videos coming up real soon. Okay, so aloha, and thank you very much. Remember, if Chef Wu can, you can too. Bye-bye.